Inside the cells, proteins don't work alone. In fact, they interact each other to form small multi-protein molecular machines. I have been always interested to try to decipher the language that different proteins talk each other to interact. There are many diseases that are caused by failures in these protein-protein interactions. In our lab, we design peptides. Peptides are small proteins. These peptides are designed in a way that disrupt undesired protein-protein interaction. For example, in several cancers, the interaction between a small protein called EGF and its receptor is very important. Why? Because when this interaction takes place, the cancer cell divides. We have discovered peptides that interrupts in a very efficient way this protein-protein interaction, and this, of course, will open the venue for a new cancer treatment. The other focus of interest of my lab is to circumvent the blood-brain barrier. The blood-brain barrier protects our brains, but at the same time is a huge obstacle for the use of therapeutic agents. We have developed a family of peptides that we call peptide shuttles. These molecules cross the blood-brain barrier in a very efficient way. This allows to facilitate the brain delivery of drugs that alone will not cross the blood-brain barrier. In collaboration with hospitals, we are pushing the use of this new strategy for the treatment of pediatric brain cancers and for the treatment of Friedreich's ataxia. There are not efficient treatments for these diseases today. I am very happy with my professional life. On one side, provides me the possibility of applying my dream, that is doing basic science, to solve or try to solve problems of people. On the other side, allows me to do teaching. I love to teach. I have brought an alto recorder. Together with science, music is my main passion. To play or to compose music is my favorite way to communicate with people.